Rumors are brewing that Sony's next big releases, the A6700R and FX50, are just around the corner. Will these cameras live up to the hype? While full details are still under wraps, what we've heard about these cameras has us eager to test them out. Let's explore what the A6700R and FX50 might offer.
Did you know that 72% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together.
Let's start with the rumored Sony A6700R, which looks to build upon the already impressive A6700. As an R model, it will likely see a bump up in resolution. The A6700 has a 26 megapixel sensor, but with the R, we could expect 40 megapixel or more. This extra resolution provides tremendous flexibility. You can heavily crop shots or print large while retaining detail. For portraits, landscapes, and commercial work, these bonus megapixels really come in handy. Beyond more pixels, we expect the A6700R to carry over the performance and video features that made the A6700 so popular. Its compact, lightweight body is perfect for travel, while 5-axis in-body stabilization provides up to 5 stops of shake reduction, so you can confidently shoot handheld with any lens. It should retain the A6700's fast 11 frame per second burst rate, real-time autofocus for stills and video, and UHD 4K, recording up to 120 frame per second, plus the vari-angle touchscreen. Now onto the FX50, which has videographers particularly enthused. This camera is said to use a Super 35mm sensor optimized specifically for video recording. The rumored specs promise insane dynamic range, over 15 stops, and ISO up to 32,000. Incredible for a $3,000 mirrorless body. This gives you huge flexibility in post, lifting shadows or rescuing highlights without clipping, even with high contrast scenes. Having built-in stabilization eliminates the need for bulky gimbals for handheld video, and reports suggest it will match the excellent dual-pixel autofocus performance of the Canon C70. This would provide sharp, fast focus transitions when filming. In essence, it seems Sony aims to challenge Canon's cinema line with a smaller, lighter design at a more affordable cost. Currently, you need to step up to something like the Sony FX30 or Canon C70 to get pro-level mirrorless video. But if the FX50 delivers on its rumors, it could offer that quality at almost half the price. Speaking of the FX30, it's interesting to compare what we know about it versus the rumored FX50. The FX30 has a similar 26 megapixel Super 35 sensor with UHD 4K up to 120 frame per second, 10-bit capture, ISO up to 32,000, and 14 stops of dynamic range. However, it's priced around $2,000. This is where the FX50 gets exciting. If it provides comparable video power in a more compact body for $3,000, it'll be an incredible value for shooters. The FX the 30th of May still have advantages like raw output via HDMI and high frame rate cropping less than the FX50. But for most people, if the FX50 has all the rumored features, then there's no doubt that it will be a worthwhile deal. And that's the potential we see with both the A6700R and FX50. Sony seems ready to keep pushing what's possible with mirrorless technology. The A6700R may bring new heights of resolution in a familiar package, while the FX50 could democratize pro-level video quality. These are still early rumors, so details could change as the release approaches, but what we've heard has us eager to test these cameras out. The prospect of next-gen resolution and video performance in compact mirrorless form has us excited. We'll be keeping a close eye on more updates on the A6700R and FX50. If Sony delivers on their rumored potential, they could have some real game changers incoming. So, That's all about the Sony A6700R and Sony FX50. Do let us know what you think about this, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.